very important announcement for you. You must watch. Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing great in your life. This is a very important announcement about this channel. If you are interested in learning Photoshop or photo editing or even the photography, I have created a brand new channel which is called Harshvardhan Art, and the link of that is in the description section below. And on this channel, I will be posting only videos related to the video editing. So whether that video editing would be in Premiere Pro or in After Effects. But if you are interested in learning only about the photo editing or the photography, make sure you subscribe to that channel. The link of that is in the description section below. And now the question is why I did so, because originally I created this channel only for the photo editing or Photoshop related videos or the tutorials. Actually, for over the years, I have been noticing I have so many photo editing or Photoshop tutorials on this channel, but unfortunately, due to some weird Google algorithm, my channel is not growing up. I'm not getting that much of views or that much of engagement, which is very important for me to keep on creating more and more content for you guys. But unfortunately, if that is not happening, so I just analyze all of my channel and I just did some investigation what's wrong with this channel, why this is not growing, despite the fact I have so many good tutorials. Even most of my tutorials are with voiceover, and I have seen many other channels which don't even use the voiceover. They just post the silent edit tutorials or the speed arts, and their channel is growing very fast. And my channel, despite having all the voiceovers in English and even in Hindi, because earlier I just did the experiment. I started making tutorials in Hindi. I thought that maybe because I'm from India, and maybe Google wants to show my videos to the Indian people, and they are more interested in learning in Hindi language rather than in English language. So I started making videos in Hindi as well, but nothing worked out. Still, I was getting the same amount of engagement and views. So I did further investigation and then found out that actually I have just messed up this channel from the very beginning, because in the beginning I didn't know much about the YouTube, and I started posting all types of videos on this channel. So basically it was all the videos were on different topics, and I tried to put everything I know, everything I learned, and everything I found that I should make a video on. I just started putting every garbage on this channel, and that just messed up everything. That messed up the Google algorithm, and the Google just picked up some of my videos which are not even related to my particular niche, and that was the photo editing or Photoshop or photography, and those were something very unrelated videos, and those are my most watched videos, and they are somewhat making me money. At this moment, it's not about the money, but I want the engagement and the views and the growth which I deserve or this channel deserves. But that was not happening. So finally I decided that I will just niche down this channel. So finally I have decided that I'm going to post only the videos related to the video editing, and for the photo editing or photography or Photoshop related tutorials, I will create a new channel, and I will post all the videos related to the photo editing or Photoshop or photography on that channel. So that channel has now been created, and I have even posted one videos over there. If you have not subscribed to that channel, please consider subscribing. You will find a link of that is in the description section below, or even in the I button somewhere over here. So from now onwards, all the photography or photo editing or Photoshop related tutorials will be posted on that channel, and this channel would be exclusively for the video editing. So if you are interested in learning the photo editing, subscribe to my second channel, and if you are interested only the video editing, subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so. So that was the important message I want to share with you. So if you are interested in particular niche, then please take the actions accordingly. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next episode. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.